Good morning, students. I am Ranjan Sahay from Asansol. Welcome to my channel. Now I am going to discuss with all of you in the context of adaptation of the eyes, as I have written here, adaptation to light. In this you have to know, first of all, what is meant by adaptation to light and what are its types and which way it causes a change. What is meant by light adaptation, what is meant by dark adaptation. All this point I will discuss in this video. So first I am going to introduce you in the context of definition of adaptation to light. What is meant by adaptation to light? The ability of the eye to adapt to change in the intensity of light is known as adaptation to light. Once more I am repeating, the ability of the eye to adapt to change in the intensity of light is known as adaptation to light. It is of two types, light and dark adaptation. Light adaptation and dark adaptation. Light adaptation, that also is known as bright adaptation, and second one is dark adaptation. Okay, so first you have to know about the light adaptation. What is meant by light adaptation and how does it occur? When we move to the bright lighted area from the dark room, when we move to the bright lighted area, okay, from a dark room, like example I am saying that suppose you have gone to see the movie in noon show. After the noon show, while you are coming out of the cinema hall, then while you are coming out of the cinema hall and moving to the bright lighted area, then you feel difficulty to see the object for a short time. You used to experience a dazzling effect for a short while, and soon after that the vision is improved. Improvement of vision takes place. This improvement of vision is known as light adaptation. What is light adaptation? When we move from dark room to the bright lighted area, okay, then we feel difficulty to see object for a short while and then vision improves. This improvement of vision is known as light adaptation. This change takes place because of this reason. Two reasons are there. Visual purple of the rod is bleached while we are coming to the bright lighted area from dark room. Then visual purple means rhodopsin pigment which was functioning in dark room, but as we go to the bright lighted area, visual purple rhodopsin pigment used to bleach, which reduces the sensitivities of the rod cell. Hence we feel difficulty to see object. Okay, and then afterwards, soon after that, it is seen that cone cell used to function in bright lighted area. Cone cell have the pigment iodopsin or conodopsin. Okay, in bright lighted area, iodopsin used to regenerate, and which enable the cone cell to function. Okay, so this way changes takes place while we move to the bright lighted room from the dark room. Initially we feel blinded for a short while. Why? Because rhodopsin pigment used to bleach. So we feel blinded for a short while and soon vision improves. Then cone cell start to function, and because of that improvement of vision occurs. That is called light adaptation. Okay, when we go to the bright lighted area, people get constricted, which allow to reduce the amount of light, so that only required amount of light could enter into the eye and make the object visible. This is the explanation in the context of light adaptation. Now next is the dark adaptation. What is meant by dark adaptation? Okay, when we move to the dark room from bright lighted area, suppose for noon show movie, we have to watch noon show movie, we have gone to cinema hall, we have entered inside the cinema hall, we are entering from bright lighted area to the dark room. Suppose cinema hall is there, picture already started. While we are entering the dark room, then we feel difficulty to see the object. As we have entered the cinema hall and picture already started, we cannot find our place. Where is my place? We cannot find our place. Okay, then torchman take us to my place, and then we used to get a place and we start to watch the movie, and soon after that it is seen that vision improvement takes place. Vision is improved. That improvement of vision is known as dark adaptation. What is dark adaptation? When we move from bright lighted area to a dark room, initially we feel blinded for a short time, and soon after that vision is improved. This improvement of vision is called dark adaptation. The reason is, okay, in dark room, regeneration of the rhodopsin pigment regenerated in the dark room, which enable the rod cell to function. Okay, and plus people get more dilated, permitting more light to enter in the eye and make the object visible.